Hey everyone, this is a trader investor. I started off this morning by mentioning how SPY is having an inside day. An absolute inside day means that the high of Friday and the low of Friday contains the highs and lows of today. This is what we saw exactly. Now we're very close to the highs of Friday, but we did stay below it, and of course way off the lows of Friday. And today we stayed in a very tight range. I mentioned in my video I had gone long expecting price to break the highs. That did not happen, and I took a small loss, and the rest of the day was just very choppy. It was choppy in SPY. Qs, I believe, were the strongest today because right off the gate they broke off the 15-minute range at 7 a.m. 30 minutes after markets open, 7 a.m. Pacific time, and they just kept going up. Qs kept going up. IWM, same story. It kept going up, but in a very small tight range, and so from the open to close it's an up day, but it's very hard to trade and make a lot of money on this position because it was just a very small narrow movement. But nevertheless, it was a gap up from Friday, and we never went and closed that gap. So we could close that gap sometime soon, yet to be discovered. Diamonds were the weakest. Diamonds went down and down all day long. Just all day long diamonds were down. So overall, Qs were the strongest up and diamonds were the strongest down. SPYs doing nothing, and doing nothing, if you say it's a positive day, and that's not really doing nothing, but when you're doing options trading for in and out in a couple of hours, the SPYs didn't do anything. And the Qs were the strongest, so if you had taken positions in the Qs, you have made some significant gains. 10-20 contracts in Qs gave you some significant gains. So those were some moves that I missed. I personally missed. I was focused on the SPYs. I was expecting the SPYs to make some moves, so I was not paying attention to the Qs. And by the time my SPYs closed and the Qs were in a new territory for the day, I just stopped looking at them. Of course, there were always entries, right? If like I said, I'm not a full-time glued to the chart trader, so if I miss an opportunity, I am not upset. I just wait for the next day. If the market is always open, the market is always here, I am the one who needs to be patient and wait for my setups. If my setups don't come the first couple of hours and I get busy in my workday, I'm not too concerned that I'm missing these opportunities. For me, it's about protecting my assets and then taking gains when on days like Friday, when we get this breakout here and price just gives you this. That's what I'm talking about. Those are the moves that I want to wait, not these smaller moves that I might have or might not have missed. I'm not too concerned about those. Thursday, when price breaks the 15-minute range because of Biden news and price keeps going down, those are the kind of moves you want to capture. So tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is a day where price could do something different. Let's wait and see. Let's be patient. I always teach patience. Now, SPY, I am pretty confident that we're going to have a gap day. Which way? Yet to be seen, and then we'll trade based on that. We'll trade what the charts tell us. We are not going to trade on what I feel. What I feel is irrelevant to my account. My account doesn't care about what I feel. My account knows gains or losses based on what I'm seeing on the charts. So if the charts are not saying anything, I'm not entering the trade. So let's see what happens. As you can see, the futures are pretty flat, but that's early Asian hours, that's to be expected. So during London hours, during the middle of the night, this is where a lot of activities happen, and we will see how the markets will fare out. But for now, I just wanted to give you a quick update on where the markets were. Take care, everyone, and don't forget to like this video, because liking it is what feeds me, right? We all need encouragement, so don't forget to do that. All right, everyone, take care.